Hello friends, welcome to Ananda Bhuvanam Golden Sunrise. Indian states. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav, Party BJP, Governor Mangubhai C. Patel. Chief language Hindi, other language Awadhi, Urdu, Nimadi, Bundeli, Malvi, Bagali. Tribal languages Gondi, Katlo, Bili, Nihali, Kurku. District Bhopal, Raisen, Rajgarh, Shihori, Vidisha, Morena, Shiopur, Bind, Gwalior, Ashoknagar, Shivpuri, Guna, Datia, Alirajpur, Barwani, Burhanpur, Indore, Dar, Jabua, Khandwa, Kargone, Balaghat, Chhindwara, Jabalpur, Katni, Mandla, Narsinghpur, Sioni, Dindori, Pandurna, Bitul, Narmadapuram, Harda, Rewa, Satna, Sindhi, Singrauli, Mauganj, Maihar, Chhatarpur, Damo, Thana, Sagar, Tikamgarh, Niwari, Anupar, Shahdol, Umaria, Agarmalwa, Devas, Mandsaur, Neemuch, Ratlam, Shajapur, Ujjain. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Sambhaji Shinde, Party SS, Governor Ramesh Bais. Chief language Marathi, other language Konkani, Malwani, Ahirani, Waradi. District Ahmednagar, Akola. Thank you.